In this short little film, we're going to show you how to correctly put on the 98-80-19 O-ring. Around the head insert, what you want to do is put one side of the O-ring in the lip. Brush your finger around and force it in. Okay. Now it's going to fit a little loose. The thing you want to do is take your tip and air cap assembly. Alright. Take the tip out. Put on the air cap and retaining ring and tighten down. You're going to feel some resistance, but just crank down on it as much as you can. Okay? There's no gap in between there. What I would recommend to you is to leave this like this for about 10 minutes or so. Because it is a Teflon O-ring, it will form itself back to its original size. And this, putting the air cap and retaining ring, will help. Once that's done, and you wait about 10 minutes, you take that off, the retaining ring, you take the air cap off, and that should not slip off anymore. If you have any questions, please call us at 888-820-4498.